Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, De Rojas Corner. For today's video, I'm going to make a chicken and pork caldereta. So I have here the potato, capsicum or bell pepper, chicken and pork, carrot, and then the green peas. And of course, our mamacita's caldereta spicy sauce mix. There you go. It's a very easy and very quick. So guys, let's get started. Guys, I'm going to make a twist for my caldereta. So I'm just gonna put some soya sauce on my chicken and pork. So just a bit only. And then I'm gonna put some pepper on it. Yes, we're going to make a twist. And then we're just gonna stir it. It's just a bit of soy sauce before I fried it. Yeah, so guys, we heated some oil already, so it's ready to fry the chicken. So we'll just fry it until it's golden brown. So guys, nagiging golden brown na siya. Yung chicken and yung pork natin. So, ready na tayong mag-add ng water. Oh, there you go. So, na-add na natin yung water. Ibo-boil lang natin siya. Hahayaan natin siyang kumulo hanggang sa maging tender yung meat natin. So, see you soon guys. Ayan na siya guys. Nilagay ko na yung mamacita's caldereta spicy sauce mix. So, ready na pong ilagay yung ating mga sahog. Ayan, so ilalagay na natin ang potato. Carrot. Lalagay na lang natin lahat. And then, yung capsicum. At saka yung green peas. Yan. So, very colorful na siya. Pero, parang gusto ko siyang dagdagan ng bay leaves. Dagdagan ko siya ng bay leaves para maganda siya. Yan. Laurel ang tawag sa atin, diba? Sa Pilipinas, tinatawag na laurel. Ayan. So, lumalapot na siya. Ayan, lumalapot na. Halu-haluin lang natin. So, ayan. Parang naubusan na siya ng, ng gravy. So, I guess, kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng konting water pa. Ayan, makulay na. Ayan guys, so ready na yung ating caldereta. Ayan, naaamoy ko na siya. Ayan. Halatang masarap. Ayun. So, ready na siyang kainin. Kakain na tayo ng ating caldereta. Ayan. Ayan siya. See guys? Mmm. Looks yummy, yummy.